Did you know that one tiny seed could dramatically improve your health and help you overcome serious health issues? That's right! I'm talking about flax seeds, a superfood that's been hiding in plain sight, packed with incredible benefits for your heart, digestion, skin, and even more. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to show you how easy it is to add flax seeds into your daily routine, and share a game-changing recipe that'll help you maximize all the health benefits these tiny seeds offer. Flax seeds are small, but they're a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential minerals like magnesium, copper, and zinc. So why should you start eating flax seeds today? Let me tell you about the amazing health benefits of this humble little seed. First, let's talk about heart health. Flax seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that helps lower cholesterol and reduces the risk of heart disease. So, if you're looking to keep your heart healthy, just a tablespoon a day can make a big difference. Next up, digestive health. Flax seeds are loaded with fiber and mucilage, which help improve digestion and relieve constipation. If you're struggling with bloating or irregular digestion, flax seeds can help keep things running smoothly. Want glowing skin? Flax seeds are packed with antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, which protect against free radical damage and support collagen production, leading to healthier, more youthful-looking skin. And that's not all. Flax seeds can help protect you from cancer. They contain lignans, powerful plant compounds that act like estrogen in the body. These lignans may help lower the risk of breast cancer, particularly after menopause, and can also reduce the risk of other cancers. Flax seeds also boost brain function. The phytochemicals in flax seeds can help enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and protect the brain from aging. Let's talk about blood pressure. Studies have shown that regular flaxseed consumption can help lower blood pressure, which is especially beneficial for those with high blood pressure or hypertension. But that's not all. Flax seeds are also great for liver health. Even with a diet rich in fat and sugar, flax seeds help improve liver function, reduce fat buildup, and support overall liver health. In fact, they can even lower liver enzymes and improve liver weight. Flax seeds are especially powerful for women. They help balance estrogen levels in the body. This is crucial for conditions like breast cancer, fibroids, and endometriosis, as they can naturally regulate hormones and reduce inflammation. Flax seeds' phytoestrogens help reduce menopausal symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, and even vaginal dryness. They also support menstrual cycle regulation and improve fertility by balancing hormones. They may even help reduce breast pain for some women, especially during the menstrual cycle. Studies show that consuming flaxseed powder daily can reduce breast discomfort, making it a great addition to your diet if you're experiencing PMS. But how do you eat flax seeds, you ask? The key is to grind them. That way, your body can access all the amazing omega-3 oils inside. You can add ground flaxseed to your oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or even bake it into muffins and breads. So let me show you my favorite flaxseed recipe. We're making a flaxseed smoothie with banana, spinach, almond milk, and a tablespoon of flax seeds. It's a quick and easy way to start your day with all the nutritional benefits of flax seeds. Delicious and so healthy. You can feel the energy boost, and it's so easy to make. I highly recommend adding flax seeds to your daily routine to boost your energy, improve digestion, and support your heart and skin. So, what are you waiting for? Grab some flax seeds today and start reaping all the amazing health benefits. From heart health to glowing skin to hormonal balance, flax seeds can be a game changer for your overall well-being. Hit that like button if you learned something new today. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple health tips like this. Drop a comment below and tell me how you use flax seeds in your meals. I'd love to hear your favorite flaxseed recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.